Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are doing well. Today I gonna show you how to download and install latest build of Windows 11 on VMware Workstation. Okay guys, without talking too much, let's get started. Okay, first of all, we have to download Windows 11 ISO image file. Okay, open up any browser. Now type the following URL and press enter. This website is providing all latest updated Windows build versions, latest previews build, latest beta channel build, and more. Now go to dev channel. You can see the recent updated Windows 11. Now simply download the AMD version. Okay, here select the language and click next. Okay, now choose the edition or you can download multiple edition. Okay, I am going to download Windows Pro edition for now. Select the edition and click next. Okay, here simply click on create download package. Within few seconds download will start. It's about 4 MB. Okay, after successfully download, open the downloaded folder. Here is it. Okay, now let's move into any other drive. Now extract the file here. Alright, open the extracted folder. Here you can see different download options for different operating systems. Currently I am using Windows operating system, so going to open the Windows one. Run as a administrator mode. Alright, it will download Windows 11 and requirement packages in the command prompt, and it will take little bit longer. Alright, after successfully download, simply press 0 to exit the command prompt. Alright, here is the Windows 11 ISO image file that we have required for installation. Okay, now close the folder. Alright, now I am going to install Windows 11 on VMware Workstation. Simply open the VMware Workstation or VMware player. Okay, here simply click on create a new virtual machine. Select typical and click next. Here select I will install the operating system later and simply click next. In the guest operating system, select Microsoft Windows, and in the version select Windows 10. Because VMware team not updated the version yet, we will see Windows 11 in the upcoming update of VMware. Okay, select the Windows 10 and simply click next. Now type the virtual machine name as you want. Then Browse and select the location where you want to store Windows 11 data. And click Next. Here select the disk size as your requirement. Recommended size is 60 GB, so I'm not going to change anything. Here select Store Virtual Disk as a single file, then click Next. Alright, now click on Customize Hardware. In the memory, select RAM as your requirement. You can also increase or decrease the RAM memory later. I am going to set 4 GB for now. Okay, now go to CD DVD SATA. Here select Use ISO image file. Then browse and select the downloaded Windows 11 ISO image file. Then simply close it and click on Finish. Alright, you can see Windows 11 added in my virtual machine list. Simply select the Windows 11 and power on the virtual machine. Now press any key to boot from CD or DVD. Alright, you can see new Windows 11 logo is appearing here. It will take a few seconds to start installation. Okay, now select the language, time and currency format, keyboard or input method, and simply click Next. Alright, now click on Install Now. Okay, here is asking Windows product key. For now, click on I don't have product key. Okay, here agree the Microsoft license terms and condition and click Next. Now select Custom Install Windows Only. Alright, now we are in Partition menu. You can see I have set 60 GB disk size. Select the disk size and simply click Next. Okay, here it will take 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, after successfully completed, the virtual machine will restart automatically and it will take a few minutes. Okay, now select your country and click Yes. It will take a few seconds. Now select the keyboard layout or input method and click yes. Okay, you can add more keyboard layout. I am skipping for now. Okay, it's checking for updates. Alright, now type the PC name as you want, or you can skip for now. It will take another few moments. Okay, again restarting the machine. Alright, here set up the device as you want. I am going to set up for personal use and click next. Okay, here you can log in with your Microsoft account, or you can escape for now. For escape, click on sign in option and select here offline account. Here simply click on escape for now. Here I don't want to sign in with the Microsoft account. You can also sign in later and simply click next. Okay, here type your name and click next. Here, if you want to set a password, type the password or leave it blank and click next. Okay, here choose the privacy setting for your device and click accept. Again, it's checking for update. It will take 5 to 10 minutes to finalize the whole things. Alright, finally Windows 11 is ready for use. You can see it has different looks with the new start menu. You can see in the about its latest build released on 17 July 2021. Now I will install the VMware tool. Go to this PC. Here open the DVD device VMware tools. Here double click on Setup 64 to install the VMware tool. Simply follow me. Alright, after successfully completed, it's asking to restart the machine. Simply restart the machine. Okay, after successfully restart the machine, now everything is ready and you can maximize your virtual machine. Okay guys, that's all for today. I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. See you again.